How's it going, guys? I wanted to update you guys at day 38 on the 5 percenters challenge. Like I had told you before in the last video, I had gotten the account up to 6,200. It is a $6,000 account that you start off with where they test you. And I got it up to 200 bucks in like the first 2 weeks. My risk was really high. I was trying to get to the goal, we're all excited to accomplish these goals and get to the $4 million account. But I'm telling you guys right now, if you guys start rushing this, you're going to make mistakes. And I did make a mistake. It went down to 6,000. But right now, that was around day 28 that my account was at 6,000. But since then, I've been slowly but surely building up the account. And today I had a monster profit. And I'm going to show you the strategy that I'm using. I had to tweak my strategy. I had to bring down the risk, right? And take it slowly but surely. And let me break those down to you, those trades. All right. So I use support and resistance breakouts for my strategy. As you can see down here, there was a break of resistance on this line right here. If we look to the past, we're looking at this line right here. If we look to the past right here, see? This was the resistance. This is on the 5-minute chart. So as soon as I broke this resistance, I got in right here, as you could tell. Now, I like to use the measuring tool, and I measure 30 micropips, or 3.0 pips, actually. Right there, see how I do that? My entry is 3 pips over the breakout line. Okay, that's when I get in. This first trade went to my favor. Now what I do is I like to take profits right underneath the next support line. See this support line here? 1, 2, 3. See this green dotted line? That is a partial take profit. So I divide my lot size in 3, and I take partial lot size. I know that sounds pretty advanced, guys. I'll make a video on how I do this. But basically I took profit here, partial profit here, and I took the rest of the profit right here, these green dotted lines. That's how I trade. That's my new way of trading these moves. Now, I thought I was done there, but then I saw that the market was just wanting to keep rising here. You see this breakout line here? If we go to the past, here it is, boom. It was going to go above this this resistance here. So I said, yeah, let's try to get on a second trade. I usually don't do that. If I get a monster trade, I walk out. But I said, let's try this again. So then I put my entry at 3 pips over the breakout. Oh, this one is actually showing a little more. But anyway, I entered right here. I might have entered this one wrong, but it still went my way. So I entered right here. And same thing, took partial profit here, and then I took actual, what I really did here is I used the SAR indicator on the 1-minute chart over here to actually trail stop it. But you guys can do it whichever way you want. Usually when it gets close to the TP3 down up here, sometimes I manual exit anyway, but that's how I did it. That is how I got those profits for today, and hopefully we can reach our goal of 375. Now, they give you a lot of time. I have till April of 2023. We have months to get there, and we might get there before that time. But my advice to you guys is don't rush it. Don't start doing monster trades to get to your target. I know that you want to get to that $4 million funded account as soon as possible, but take your time. That's what I'm going to do. Slow and sure profits will get you there. All right, guys, just want to give you guys a quick update. I will make a video on this strategy that I use. It's working really good, better than my previous strategy. And I'll see you soon in the next video.